Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany and this is Brittany's Kitchen. Today we're going to be doing DIY gummy bears. You only need a few things. You need silicone forms, a dropper, gelatin, honey, and juice of your choice. These are juices that came in school lunch. So let's get started. Okay, you're going to set your your stove to medium heat. You need 1 cup of juice, or in my case I need 2 of these little juice containers. I chose to mix them. You can choose 1 solid juice. You're going to pour that into your saucepan. You need 3 tablespoons of gelatin. This little box has 4 packets. I don't know exactly what's in the packet. We'll find out. So 1 packet is about 1 tablespoon. So in my case, instead of measuring all of them, I'll just use 3 of the packets. You can give that a little stir. They will blend once the juice heats up. And you're going to take 1 tablespoon of honey. These are so good to eat, especially when you get to choose the kind of juice you want to use. Decided I'll just mix the juices. I used grape and fruit punch. Let's see how that turns out. Probably be more grapey than anything. My honey is local honey. You can use any honey you have. Doesn't have to be like mine. And now you're just going to heat until everything is dissolved. Continue to stir. You're going to heat this until everything is liquefied. Then you're going to turn your stove off and you are going to bring it over to your mold and fill them up. Okay, so now we got the mold, we got the hot liquid. Be careful when you're doing this because it could burn you. Oh, and be careful if it doesn't do that either. Now you're just going to take a little bit, fill each little mold with this stuff, the liquid. Just continue doing that until all your liquid is used up. Alright, so I finished up putting the liquid in the forms, cleaned up a little bit. Now I set all the little trays on a wire rack. You can do it on a pan wire rack, or you can just put them in the fridge like this, but it makes it a little easier to transport back and forth. You're going to put it in the fridge for 2 hours, no less than 2 hours, so then it can really solidify, makes it easier to take them out. And then, I mean, it can be more than 2 hours if you'd like. So it's kind of a set it and forget it kind of thing. So I'll see you in 2 hours. Okay, so it's been a couple hours now. I started popping them out. They've turned out so cute. Tiny little bears. You want to see? They're so cute. So anyways, you're gonna continue popping these out. It takes quite a while. I just wanted to come back on, show you what they look like after being in the fridge for 2 hours. It's been exactly 2 hours about. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was easy enough for you to follow along. And if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. Every week I do new videos and new recipes. And I hope you enjoyed. Thanks guys.